Valentine's Day is around the corner. So Rach and me thought, what a better way to celebrate than to dedicate our next few bakes to chocolate. And I don't know about you, but chocolate makes me feel, yes. Hot diggity dog. It's gonna be a great few weeks. Come bake with us. Our first recipe is for Laura. Laura asked us to make chocolate avocado pudding. Kids, don't you forget to send your recipe ideas to www.lettusbake.com and we'll see what we can do for you. To make your chocolate avocado pudding, you want to scoop out the flesh of 2 avocados and pop it into a blender. Next, to our blender, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of hot water, a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of honey. Ooh, mama. Okay, next up, you're going to add a pinch of sea salt, a pinch of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Now put it on the blender and we're going to blend it until smooth, scraping down your bowl halfway through. Now just add it to your favorite serving dish. Now to balance out that rich chocolatey flavor, I always add a little whipped cream. Thanks for joining us on Let Us Bake. We'll see you next week. Bye!